Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we've just kind of been consolidating from the regular trading session on Wednesday all through yesterday. We'll see where we are today. What you did not get was any give back by the bulls. They held things up above 36.5. They held it up above 40 for the entirety of the day. We're trading 44s now, so it's the smallest range day we've seen in some time, and you can just eyeball it here by the just by the size of the candle versus here and here. So you've got a fairly narrow range, certainly the narrowest range in the last 7 sessions. So one of two things is coming fairly quickly. You can see that the bandwidth is starting to dip again. It's dipped below 2. You can see things starting to flatten out. You have the potential here for an upper band ride. It would take a 53 print or so today to engage that. You have the potential here to go back and retest the daily mid-band. The danger in retesting the daily mid-band is really the danger is to the bears. Because to come down at this point and do a 14 or 15 handle drop, unless there's some significant news out there that we're not aware of yet, to be able to break the daily mid-band after you get there is a much more difficult task than taking it down to the daily mid-band, having the dip buyers come in and hold it, and be able to take it back up and establish once again that this daily mid-band that was resistance for so long has been converted into support. And that creates your classic buy dips market. That creates higher highs, and that will put pressure on the upside for the rest of the month. If the bears are going to succeed, they have to break the green line and hold it. They'd have to make it all the way back to the round number down there at 2,400, and they'd have to convert it. You have the potential for expansion. That expansion can be to the upside or the downside. The bulls have put themselves in a position where they pretty much have to print a new all-time high now. They're way too close not to go ahead and print a new number. Once they print a new number, they're going to need to do more with it than what they did back here in June, which was print the new number, go ahead and print a marginal lower high, fail to ride the band, and then we were right back at the daily mid-band fairly quickly. So even if we do find a new all-time high, it's going to be what's the follow-through in the days beyond it. Jump up, bust the all-time high, no follow-through, back down. Are we going to see that again? Or are we going to see a more consistent march to the upside? It's all up in the air. So it's Friday. It's a summer Friday. Yesterday was pretty slow. Wednesday regular session was slow. So this has the potential to also be slow. If it is slow, then don't fall into the trap of feeling that you need to overtrade. Don't trade to stay busy. Trade to make money. Okay? If the market is not giving you the volatility that you need, if it's not giving you the setups that you want, then back away, trade less, go do something else. Come back when the market is cooperating. We only took like 4 trades yesterday, maybe 5. That was it. Why? Because the market wasn't doing anything. So, I come into today the way I come into every day. With an open mind, I want to see what the market wants to do. Are key levels being support? Are key levels being resistance? Are we making, higher lows? Lower highs, and how does that play into a lot of the other stuff that we utilize in the room? So just keep an open mind. Don't overtrade in a market that doesn't want to go anywhere. And if it wants to head in one direction or the other, find your risk and make the trade. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I will see everybody for the midday report. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.